Hey friends, we're coming to you from the bathroom today because we're actually finishing up a shower remodel job. You can see a little bit of the open drywall back here that we still need to patch. And I thought it'd be a good opportunity to show you guys a closer look at these no-cry safety glasses. Now, we use safety glasses on almost all of our projects. It's just really important to protect your eyes, but I need something that's really gonna hold up against scratches, that's gonna feel good on my face, especially if I'm wearing them for hours at a time. So these are the no-cry safety glasses. They're actually super clear. They're really lightweight. They feel really good. So let's take a closer look at the glasses themselves. You can see we have these really wide lenses that conform around the side of your face to protect your peripheral from anything coming in that direction. And again, the way that they're designed, it also allows airflow in to help with that anti-fog feature. Again, the lenses are scratch resistant, but again, this material doesn't feel impenetrable. And so I would say be careful about just throwing these around, putting them in a tool bag without some sort of protection. They do fold down nicely. And if you have a little glasses case or a bag or something, make sure you put that in there because again, I don't think this is going to withstand some major deep scratches if this encounters some tools. Now the glasses are also highly adjustable. You can see the nose piece here swivels in and out on either side, so you can really dial it into the bridge of your nose. And then the ear pieces over here actually have a little bit of flex in them. You can pull that out and adjust just slightly on either side, but that may help with things being comfortable around the back of your ears. We have a little bit of writing here and then a label down here on the lenses, but honestly with them on, everything's super clear. You don't notice any of that. So there you go. That's the no-cry safety glasses. They're really comfortable on your face. Honestly, just straight out of the box, put them on. It really is so clear. It doesn't feel like I even have glasses on at this point. Again, they're fresh, they're new, but they're also scratch resistant, they're anti-fog, and again, they have a lot of adjustability to make sure they're nice and comfortable on our face for long periods of time. If this video has helped at all, hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned because we actually make a ton of other tool review videos to help make your shopping experience, especially on Amazon, just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you again on the next one.